Hey there, welcome to Elevate Every Day. Today I'm going to show you 4 brand new eyeshadow shades that are going to be perfect for your summer to fall transition. I have 4 new eyeshadow shades that I know you are going to love. I think they're amazing. They were just released. They are a cream to powder eyeshadow made by SeneGence. It is a long wear eyeshadow that will last all day without creasing or smudging or transfer. They're really amazing. I have them swatched here on my hand. This one right here is the green one, and that is Palm Glitter. Then I have Tropical Orchid Glitter is the purple. The pink is Pink Hibiscus Shimmer. And this gold one is Lava Shimmer. These are all so beautiful. They work really nice together. I tried all of them on, so let's take a closer look at each of them. And there you have it. These are the 4 brand new SeneGence eyeshadow shades. If you want to order them, they're $22 a piece. This little tube will last you about 6 months. So there's lots and lots of wear and application in these. You can use them as eyeshadow, as blush, as eyeliner. You could even use them as mascara if you want to do something really fun. You can use it for face paint, to do art on your little kids. If you'd like to get your hands on these shadows, I have them ready to ship. Just click the link below. You can order 1, you can order 2, you can order all of them and have the whole collection. They are limited edition, so once they are gone for good. Grab these today. Let me know what you think in the comments. Tell me which one of these 4 is your very favorite. And I can't wait to see what you guys do. So if you do looks with them, make sure to share some links with me. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.